Here is John. Just like any other business owner, he wants his business to grow more and more. More customers means higher profit. But at the same time, he faces lot of problems like communicating with customers, maintaining data, arranging meetings, getting updates from his sales executives, responding to each client individually, and much more. He spends lot of time and money on traditional methods of business management. Every day, his sales department interacts with huge number of clients, make cold calls, convert contact into lead, schedule appointments, and log expenses. This process is time-consuming and tiring for his sales team and for John himself. Losing time means losing opportunities and unhappy customers. To solve this problem, Syncnetic Software introduces LeadCube CRM, that is, Customer Relationship Management. Now, John can get in touch with his sales team at any time from anywhere. Now, LeadCube can wish John's customers happy birthday or greet them on any other important occasions. Customers appreciate the attention. John gets reminders of meetings, contracts and orders through email or message. Now John does not have to worry about the sales due to LeadCube. His sales department is well organized and operates smoothly. John can now focus on the business growth rather than focusing on day-to-day sales activities. Now, his sales team can easily collect and feed data of contacts and send email to all of them at one click. LeadCube automatically sorts and adds people as a lead who read emails, making cold call efficient and easier. Now, when a sales executive meets or generates a contact, he can instantly upload it into LeadCube. The system automatically sends your business profile to the contact, informing them about your offerings and services. They can easily fix appointments. LeadCube automatically sends the notification for an appointment to the lead. Now, no sales executive need to retain expense receipts as they can directly upload the bill receipts through LeadCube mobile app. They can easily reach to client's place by using the Get Location feature. They can instantly raise quotations, send invoices by keeping their senior managers in loop, and while they collect payments, a payment receipt is sent to the customer by keeping the accounts team in loop. Now, John gets information about all the activities of their sales team instantly at his fingertips. Time is precious, and saving time means LeadCube. LeadCube CRM offers 20 additional features, which is comparatively 60% more than any other CRM. Fully cloud-based Syncnetic LeadCube delivers contact management, bulk email SMS facility, a third-party lead generation system which can easily integrate with any portals like Just Dial, IndiaMart, Trade India, etc., complaint management system, task reminder, feedback management, automated business call logging, reference management, sorting customers in groups, a dedicated mobile app for your customers to log complaints, inquiries, meeting scheduler. Also, LeadCube offers detailed DSR reports of an individual, outlining new lead ad report, complaint log, inquiry log, schedule meeting report, notable activity, cancel meeting report, quotation and invoice reports, product sold report, payment receipt, daily task reminder, and call log. hence assisting you to manage and optimize your sales force for high productivity and performance. Effective business planning is the key of success, and LeadCube CRM is your key. Including John, 99% of his customers use LeadCube CRM. Now, it's your turn to capture this opportunity.